And let's get that level.
And they're going to go in a circle around there.
Excellent noise. You don't get much better than that. You know, the flip side of that though, I built a furnace one time with a Pratt. It was a little different.
So what are you going to get up to? Just use spinner?
I'm going to build this furnace.
Well, that's almost done.
I'm just documenting it there.
The thing that facilitates is it allows you to get castable around this and out.
So bringing moisture up to the surface. Got another mixer for it.
And then as soon as you're done with that, you want to start working on the back.
Yep.
Because this whole form here needs
Building up.
It opened probably at 7:30 or something. So I'm glad that there's the arms really.
That's what that was.
Shape of the burner port. It's the shelf brick that has to be cut to go in there. And here's the door frame. Door frame will be hinged from this point back. Controls. Now the door has been cast out of castable 165 with the logo fish on the front there. Efficiency.
Gas bills. Cheap gas bills. That's the
The
bottom.
first furnace I ever made was an egg-shaped furnace.
James was telling me about that. Something about it
Yeah,
blowing
no,
up or self-destructing or...
Oh, that cracked sort of nearly straight away. And then we ended up putting square bricks inside a round form. So we had a tank inside there. And we just had fire bricks virtually as a tank, which you can imagine that only lasted 2 or 3 months.
Yeah. Well, and it gave you that lovely green color to the glass.
But honestly, we could have kept that egg furnace